Hi guys, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my tiny basement soap shop. I'm running low on shampoo bars, so today we're going to make a luxury all-natural shampoo bar. They're pretty easy to use. You just lather it up in your hands and run it through your hair just like any other shampoo. And it's got some added fun factor with jojoba oil, coconut milk, and some honey to help boost the lather. And I'm going to use an essential oil blend that essential oil lovers like to call the allergy balm. So that would be peppermint, lavender, and lemon. Come along with me on this soapy adventure.